Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best continuous lighting kits that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the LimoStudio Daylight Umbrella Continuous Lighting Kit. Reigning in position number 1, the LimoStudio Lighting Kit is a favorite among professionals of all skill levels. Therefore, whether you're a beginner in this line of work or an expert, we suggest keeping this kit handy for creating the right kind of setup. Plus, it comes with an attractive price tag, which is a win-win. First things first, this kit includes all the necessary equipment for a professional photo shoot so you can create the perfect light setup in any indoor environment. For instance, it comes with a pair of 82 inches tall flash strobe light stands that form the foundation of the entire apparatus. Other than that, the package also has a 29.8 light stand to complete the set. What impressed us the most is a couple of white umbrella reflectors that can perfectly diffuse the light so that you can effortlessly capture a full spectrum of color. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Julius Studio Photography Continuous Lighting Kit. As professionals, we constantly look for equipment that's easy to set up and does the job without needing much oversight. That's why we recommend investing in the Julius Studio Photography Continuous Lighting Kit, as it offers you all the convenience and more. Besides, its budget-friendly price tag makes it a great choice for users of all skill levels. First off, the kit features 2 softboxes measuring 20 inches x 28 inches with their individual light stand tripods. With this, you can cast light on your subject from 2 directions and set the scene with optimum brightness. The 2 adjustable light stands can be extended up to 78 inches, with the shortest height being 28.5. Plus, they come with screw mounting on top, with a reliable locking system that secures the lights. The softboxes have a silver internal face, which ensures maximum light dissipation while preventing loss. At number 3, we have the Neewer 700W Professional Photography Lighting Kit. For our third spot, we've picked the Neewer 700-watt lighting kit, another reliable unit for professionals out there. Whether you're keen on portrait photography or need lights for shooting vlogs, this kit will provide sufficient illumination to set the mood. Therefore, if you want to capture images with high clarity, this is your best bet. Most budget lighting systems do not offer enough coverage to space out and fit in multiple subjects. However, that won't be a concern with this high-performance unit. For starters, the kit features a pair of 24 inches x 24 inches softboxes with aluminized inner fabric acting as efficient reflectors. At number 2, we have the MOUNTDOG Photography Studio Softbox Lighting Kit. If you plan on expanding your portfolio, it's essential to have the right equipment for the task. The MOUNTDOG Photography Studio Softbox Lighting Kit is an excellent acquisition that'll help you enhance your skills while providing room for creativity and refinement. So if you want to transition from your entry-level kit, check out this option. The biggest USP of this lighting kit is the 54 inches long boom arm. This piece of equipment alone provides users with a lot of flexibility, as it lets you hold the key light precisely in position. Together with the sandbag and the holder arm grip, this contraption gives you more freedom in terms of lighting angles and position. And finally, at number 1, we have the Lincostore Photo Video Studio Light Kit AM169. The Lincostore Light Kit has been recently creating a stir among photography enthusiasts, and we decided to find out if it's actually worth the hype. After due diligence, we must say, we're delighted with the overall performance of this product. So if you're interested in something with all the bells and whistles, take a look at our 11th pick. First off, this high-utility product includes 4 23-watt bulbs that power 4 individual lighting systems. To explain further, The AEM169 comes with 2 square silver umbrella softboxes that work as reflectors and diffusers. Other than that, you also get 2 white translucent umbrellas that evenly disperse light, eliminating glares and hot spots. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time!